Dear Diary, welcome to another video. As always, it's always a pleasure to brace your presence. If you have not subscribed, I'm going to ask you to wait a minute, hold up, subscribe button, and like the video, share, and leave a comment, guys. I mean, I'm just loving the energy that you guys are bringing to my channel. Thank you if you subscribed, and thank you for leaving a comment. Now on to the video. So if you guys don't know, I am a plant fanatic. So with that being said, but they're like babies to me. Like, I don't have any children right now, so every time I bring home a new plant, it's literally like something to take care of, something to love, something to watch grow. It brings oxygen to the space. It rids carbon dioxide, or it could be carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, whatever. And it's just overall beneficial for me. Now, if you guys know, some plants can be expensive. Right now, before this haul, I have probably about 20 plants, and yeah, I just felt the urge to come on video and to share this with you. The prices will be linked right here. So I've been wanting one of these plants for a very long time. So Walmart stumbled across it, and you guys, I had to get it. Okay, this is a ZZ plant. Okay, and if you guys know anything about ZZ plants, I hear that they are the easiest to take care of, and I'm gonna bring it up closer so you guys can see the beautiful leaves on this plant. Is just so beautiful, and one of the hardest plants to kill. I paid $10 for it. Next up, we have Pothos. Okay, I already own some Pothos, you guys. They're easy to propagate. They are very, very easy to take care of. They are very hard to kill, and they leave this long vine, and it just brings an aesthetic to the room. So I had to grab it, and this one was $7. I had one of these plants before, and it died. I paid probably about $19 for the last plant like this. The thing is, it died, and I was very sad, and it died quick. Like, in a matter of a day, it was just soggy and like brown and rotten, and I'm just like, really? So when I went to Walmart, I was pleasantly surprised, guys, because for $5 I got a Janet Craig. Okay, a Janet Craig. And of course, you guys, the care instructions come with it. I usually just Google any care instructions that I need for my plants. But yes, guys, this is like an amazing deal for $5. Like, look the size of this thing. Like, seriously, $5. Along, guys, one of my favorite type of plants. I actually had this plant before, and it was a lot smaller, and it did not survive. Just like the Janet Craig, it rotted away like within the same day. So I was pretty bummed out, and I was stoked when I seen a very bigger version of it. This is a Dracaena. This is a Dracaena Wernicke Limonale. I'll go ahead and link the names, guys. But look how big it is. And for $5, you guys, you cannot beat it. Like, seriously, $5. a few more plants and we will be wrapping this video up because I'm so stoked, guys. I went to the thrift store and bought some planters and I'm going to repot these plants and put them in my home. I got some really cute things from the thrift store. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll do that for you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, next up we have another golden pothos, but it's on the moss stick. Okay, it is on the moss stick. And you guys, guess how much I paid for this golden pothos? And I'm gonna literally allow it to grow up this moss stick and then get a bigger one, so when I lay it on my floor it will look kind of like a golden pothos tree type vibe. And this one was $5 as well. It does have some browning on the leaves, but for the most part this plant is pretty healthy. It actually have new leaves coming up, hadn't even been unrolled yet. This little guy grabbed my heart. This is the rabbit fern. Okay, rabbit's foot fern. Okay, and as you can see, has little things coming off the side that look like rabbit feet. This one was $2.94. Next up, we have this beautiful begonia. Guys, look how beautiful it is. It's almost an iridescent. It's almost as if it's iridescent. The pattern on here is so pretty and it's iridescent and I love it so much, you guys. For $5, you really cannot beat this price. The next two plants that I'm going to show you are a variety of plants that I absolutely adore. You guys already know that I talked about the golden pothos and I showed you guys the golden pothos earlier, but I've never owned a pearl. What is this? Pearl pothos. Okay, so it's jade and pearl pothos, and she is so pretty. Okay, you guys, like absolutely adorbs. Okay, and I'm so excited because the planter that I bought for her is so cute and it fits her so well. But guys, just take a look. If this camera will focus. And last but not least, you guys, I know that I'm saying that all of these plants are my favorites, but they literally all are. So this one here is, I've never had this one per se, but I did have other crotons. And I still do, and I love the croton variety. So here is my croton. Okay, so pretty, so pretty. You guys, isn't it lovely? So yes, guys, this one was also $5. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Go to your local Walmart, go into the garden center and go through those doors. Guys, I am trying to tell you, when you go in, you know, depending on your location, some Walmarts are different than others, but the few that I've been to, when I went into the garden center, I just seen pots and all this stuff, but I'm like, where are the plants? It was an additional door to go out of, and that's when I seen the plants, because I was getting ready to go home. So I'm glad I walked through the other doors. So that's just a tip if you are interested. Guys, I'm just so in love. So I'm going to go ahead and give these plants their permanent spaces in my home or in my apartment. And like I said, if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see where I place my plants and the planters, just comment below. And like I said, go ahead and like the video so that I know that's something that you guys are interested in. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, thank you for joining me on another video, guys. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.